Buenos dias, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome to the special edition of the Paysend series. I'm Jairo Riveros, Managing Director for the Americas, and today we are getting together at Sur la Table for a cooking class to create an American signature dish, and a steak. But we're also joined by our CEO, Ben Chisel.
Thank you, looking forward to it.
And Ben is going to tell us how we can mix all the ingredients to make Paysend a wonderful company to serve our customers worldwide and building the world's largest cross-border payment platform. Recently, we announced a partnership with JetBlue, an amazing opportunity to bring our solution closer to the diaspora in Dominican Republic. When you think about partnerships, we have one with Televisa Univision, we have with Visa, we have with MasterCard. When do you think, and when do you know that a partnership is just right, or it needs a little more cooking time?
I think a good partnership's never really finished. I think you can always keep refining it and making it a little bit better, just by focusing on the experience, focusing on the data, and just pay attention and keep making it as good as it can be, always keeping it fresh.
We have here our CFO, who has a question for Ben.
Can you give us your candid assessment on the Americas and how financially the US is doing?
I mean, I think the US has been our fastest growing market over the last 2 years, so in that respect, it's doing fantastic. I think that, but we're only tapped into a very small portion of the opportunity. I think it's why it's great to have the team here. I think we've got so many ideas from the team. And one of the things I really hope to get this week is to really commit to some of those ideas. We're really going to invest in to take our growth to the next level next year.
I'm joined today also by Ana Paula, which is our growth marketing expert from the US to the Americas and beyond. Ana Paula, some questions for Ben?
Yeah, sure. My first question is, as you know, we're still building our brand here in the United States. So I'd like to know your vision for next year, how to blend, how to mix the effort to keep building our brand, but also try to get the heat and quickly grow the market.
Yeah, I mean, to be honest, I'm not sure I see them as completely different things. I think we've got sort of a really kind of important problem for people in the world. And we've got a great story to tell. And so I think that we just need to be very genuine, tell that story, and let that story come through, in all of our marketing, from our brand marketing to our direct marketing.
Thank you.
From Americas to the world.
Yeah.
And beyond.
And beyond.
Welcome to Paysend Series again. We have concluded a wonderful afternoon where we have mixed some elements to create a wonderful outcome, a wonderful meal, but we'll also be having a conversation with our CEO, Ben, to talk about the ingredients that make Paysend a great company to serve our customers. Some closing comments, Ben, from you?
We've spoken about our strategy, our approach with compliance, how the business growth and finance work together. I think the thing that we haven't touched on is the team. I think for me the thing that I'm almost more proud about than anything else is the team that we've made. The team living in 35 different countries, even more nationalities. I just think it's kind of a miracle that's a really diverse group of people can just come together behind one mission and, as you say, build the world's biggest digital payment network, make money transfers easy for everyone.
Well, this concludes our special edition of Paysend Series. We have had the opportunity to share with you our cooking experience as well as our insights about Paysend. We want to hear from you. Contact us, our partners, our customers, and we want to invite you to co-create or to co-cook as well.
Paysend,